17 political parties go into a huddle in capital to form a secular front. Is this a boost to Third Front plans? A mega Third Front convention took place in the capital today to stitch together a secular alliance. And even as Congress dismissed the possibility, the presence of NCP leader DP Tripathi at the event did raise a few eyebrows. Meanwhile, the BJP has hit out saying Third Front can never be a reality.
In a mega left-backed convention, 9 like-minded political parties are contemplating to stitch a non-Congress, a non-BJP alliance right before the 2014 elections. However, of all participants, the most surprising name that appeared was that of DP Tripathi, an NCP leader.
Even Mr. Prakash Karat has written in his article that this convention has nothing to do about Third Front or any political alternative. As far as NCP is concerned, we have never believed in Third Front. We always believe in First Front.
And after this surprise attendance, top NCP leader Praful Patel also asserting that they desire to keep other options open.
Fight with separate parties who fight against the Congress. We ourselves fight against the Congress in so many states directly. So there is no issue. We should, and I'm sure everybody should be broad-minded that today is an era of coalition politics. And in such a situation, you have to keep your options open to work with other political parties.
But both the BJP and Congress have dismissed the possibility of a third front.
You know, we've heard this talk almost before every single election in the last 20 years. These individual parties supporting a national coalition is one thing, but for them to come together without a national vision does not serve the country well, and I think many would agree that we would not want to see a repetition of the instability and uncertainty that characterized this Third Front government.
हर चुनाव से पहले इस तरह की कवायद होती है, ऐसे ही तीसरे मोर्चे चौथे मोर्चे की बिसात बिछती है और वो बिसात पूरी तरह से बिछने से पहले बिखर जाती है। सवाल यहाँ पर आज सेकुलर सिंडिकेट का नहीं है, आज सवाल है सुशासन के सिंडिकेट का।
Those parties planning to attend this meeting have made it clear that this meet is aimed at upholding secularism. But it remains to be seen if the regional satraps can put together a robust front to counter the BJP and the Congress. Bureau Report, Times Now.